You simply come to the home page, you click here send, then you choose here what crypto you want to send. Let me choose here USDT, and now you can choose in which network you want to send it. I will send in the X layer, it says fast, and here you can withdraw money to any crypto wallet, so you can simply copy paste the receiving address here on the top where it says paste. And even easier is to withdraw money to your OKX Exchange account. You can click here my wallet, it says Exchange account, and you can simply click this one right here. So I click here Exchange account, I'm able to choose the amount. Let me put for example 10 USDT. I click here confirm, then you can verify the details. You can see the X layer network fee is extremely small, and even if you want to adjust it, you can click right here. Then you can choose slow, average or fast. All of them are pretty fast. Let me choose here fast. I click here confirm, I verify the fingerprint, and you can see 10 USDT was successfully sent. Then you are able to see it in a moment in your Exchange account, and you can switch easily by clicking right here, and you click here Exchange. You will find it on the right hand side on your Assets tab. Now, do you want to learn also how to use this Exchange? For example, for trading in the middle, you can see here I have 2 positions. You can also learn to use automated trading bots on the OKX app. You can see here that I have 5 different bots running, and I can show you the results transparently. And you can also use the earn accounts here on the Explore, and you can also use many other great features on this app. You will learn much more on my OKX playlist. Simply take one of your fingers right now, click right here in the corner, and learn to use OKX right now.